Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Holi stash at home. Prepare your workspace and gather ingredients like cornstarch, food coloring, and optional glitter before you begin. Start by sifting cornstarch, then add small amounts of color and mix until evenly tinted. Divide into batches for multiple colors and dry them briefly to reduce clumping. Store carefully in airtight containers and label each color for safe, seasonal use. Measure ingredients accurately and wear gloves and a mask to avoid inhaling fine powders. Mix cornstarch and optional arrowroot for texture, then add food coloring drops slowly to reach desired shade. For shimmer, mix in a small pinch of cosmetic glitter that is skin-safe. Press the colored powder gently to remove air pockets and spread on trays to dry. Label and cool completely before storing to preserve color and safety. Test color intensity by applying a small pinch to paper and letting it dry to see true shade. Use eyedroppers or pipettes for precise dye placement and blend colors by mixing small amounts in separate bowls. Avoid overwetting, which creates clumps. Add a few grains of cornstarch if mixture becomes sticky. Work in a single layer for even drying and rotate trays occasionally for uniform results across batches, always.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.